What is up, y'all, and welcome back. Today we are at a creek. You can't see it from here, and I really want to do a catch and cook. So, we're gonna move up and down the creek a bit, down that way. I've done some good luck, but I want to just start up here at the upper creek near the fall, and we just want to see if there's any fish happening. I think I've seen some carp there, so let's get to it. Now we are officially in the mountain park. Let's get fishing. What a happy little goose family. Now I'm gonna start up here, but with lures, there's a lure spot I really want to go to on the other side. So I'm just gonna take a couple casts here and there. All right, this is the spot that I think the lure will do good. So let's try off with some lures. If I don't already get it snagged, that would be nice. It's weird casting over here. Last time I came here, it was like a dry spell, so it was a lot easier to get down to the water. Not anymore. Okay, we got corn, and pretty much I'm just gonna throw some corn out on this micro rod, and yeah, we're gonna hope that a bluegill or a carp or something comes and eats it. That's pretty much the entire plan. Looks like I have some friends passing through. Ah! There they go. This is the country. I'm actually really happy that they left, because that was one of my concerns, was that maybe a goose or something would come and eat my corn on a hook, and I did not want that. But now that they're gone, I think we're good. This one's got some pretty good drag to it, so I think that will be okay. Oh, no, we missed a fish. I didn't even see it was a fish at first. Okay, well, we've had a bite now. There we go. Fish on. Fish on. What do we have? What do we have? Please be something good. A bluegill. I'll take it. Yes. 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 Oh my God. Last minute bluegill. Save the catch and cook. All right, folks. Save here at the last minute. A little bluegill. Now he's small, but he's big enough for my catch and cook. So we're gonna put him out of his misery, and we're gonna make us some bluegill fried ramen. Shrimp noodles. Okay, our water's beginning to boil. Let's get this shrimp open. Oh, nice. Okay, sauces and stuff, they can wait. Fold this around. Cut that. I believe it said that this takes 3 minutes. So while we're cleaning up the bluegill and frying it up, we're just gonna keep that in there and let that cook up. Nice. And now we take our pieces of crispy fried bluegill, put that right on top. A little bit of a protein crunch. Oh yeah. Guys, this looks amazing. Where's my fork at? Guys, this looks absolutely amazing. It's got the soup. Ooh, it's got the fish. It's got those noodles. Let's just give these shrimp noodles a try. I don't think I've had these shrimp noodles in years, dude. Or months. I definitely had it a couple months ago. Perfectly al dente, delicious. I will say, actually, the spices and stuff are really good. Let's get a piece of bluegill in there. I'm gonna cut one of my chunks in half. I don't think the crisp will stay, but we can try. Oh no, the bluegill kept its crunch with the flavor. Dude, it's spicy shrimp noodles with bluegill in it. This is superb. After not eating for hours and then catching my own bluegill and turning it into my own ramen is fantastic. Holy shit! Holy shit! What do we got? I don't know what we got, but he's big. Oh my god, it was waiting. He was waiting until I had my ramen. What is he? What is he? Oh, I don't want to lose him. Oh my god. Where is he? What is he? Oh, I think he's a carp. I think he's a carp. He's a big carp. He is a big common carp. Good thing I have braid on. Holy shit, I have a tiny, teeny, tiny hook on. Let's see it. Holy crap. I do not have a net. Look at him down there. Okay, 1 second. Let me see if I can put my head thing on before I attempt to land this dude. Okay. I heard there was carp down here. He's barely hooked, but let's see, how good is he hooked? Oh, he is barely hooked. I wouldn't have believed that he could stay hooked this long with that terrible hook job. Okay, we got him. Yay! Okay, y'all, persistence is worth it. We didn't get him for the ramen, but we did get ourselves a nice big common carp. Look at that, out of the creek on just some corn. Beautiful common. And on the dock demon with the braid, that's got to be the most fun way to catch carp, on a dock demon with braid. This dude was a fighter. First carp in western Pennsylvania, but there we go. Nice carp. He's not the biggest carp ever, but I'll say he's not small. Not by any regard. That's just terrific. Oh, I don't know if I'd make a thumbnail with him or if I already take the thumbnail I've been using, but he's a nice looking fish. Okay, well, let's go get him. Let's go put him back in the river. Off he goes. All right, y'all. Well, I guess the carp was a big success. That's what I thought would be out here. And you know, we got him. And we also got a couple other bites afterward too. So we'll be back here one day for sure for carp. But until then, I hope that y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll catch y'all next time.